Okay guys, so first I will stick the sticker.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so this is the tail light and both sides. So all you have to do is with this finger, there is nut as you can see here. This is the nut. All you have to do is tighten. Let's check the signal lights. Wow! Okay, so this is the bracket. So let's tighten. Then tighten. So later I will tighten too much. So for the sake of demo only. Okay, headlight. Wow. Okay, so just tighten using the Allen wrench. Alright. Okay guys, so this is the handle. All you have to do is tighten. Okay, so this is the headlight. As you can see, if I turn on here. Okay, so this is the headlight, and then this is the signal light. Wow. Both sides, left and right. Okay, and then this is the horn. Wow. Okay, a little bit louder, and then the key ignition here, the voltmeter, 58 volts, and then this is the throttle, finger throttle. So here the mode, you can see gear 1, gear 2. Okay, auto is, as you can see, is 1 kilometer, and then here this is the single or dual or eco or turbo. So this is the option. Then here 2 brakes. Okay, so this is 2 brakes. What's front? So as you can see, if I press the brake, it will lights the signal. Okay, so this is the brake. Front also same. If I press, it will turn on. And here, so basic specs of Blade 10. This is what we call Blade 10D Pro. 60 volts, 2400 watts, and dual motor. So as you can see here, I will show you. This is the disc X-Tech disc brake. Okay, semi-hydraulic disc brake, 10-inch tire. Okay, with the shock, spring type shock, both sides. Okay. Okay, so as you can see the motor here. Okay, LY 60 volts, then 1200 watts each motor. Okay, so the total of 2400 watts. Here, as you can see, 2 charger port.
guys.